So hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and today I'm really excited because a very close friend of mine, he's buying a new bike, and which bike we will discover later. क्या टाइटल देख के आप लोग समझ ही गए होंगे, but still let's go and let's check out. Welcome to the channel, and today we are at Bagaling Bajaj, and guess what, we are taking a delivery of Dominar, and I'm not taking the delivery. A friend of mine, he's taking his first bike as a Dominar. Some documentation and all is happening on. So guys, we are taking the ABS version of Dominar in matte black color, and the on-road price for that bike is 1,84,000. Also, we are paying 1% surcharge as we are paying from the credit card. Okay, and there are some delivery charges which is rupees 495, and there is zero debt policy which we are opting. So we are paying extra 550 rupees for the zero debt. And see the happy faces. So how are you feeling?
Amazing.
And although buying a first bike as a 400cc, how you are feeling?
Sporty man.
After from Aviator to Dominar.
Oh my god, that's a huge change.
Some final touch-ups.
ये चला तो क्या चाहिए ये एक बार चला दो